Gangai is being celebrated in Manipur today. The state-level Gangai is underway at Sahumbung Kabui Khunjao, organized by Manipur Kabui Union. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam and MLA KSH Biren attended the celebration. Offering of wine and lamp lighting ceremony with sacred fire were held at the start of the program, where representatives of several civil society organizations were also present. Director cum founder CEO of Birla Emporium Private Limited YUNMAN IRABANTA has said that, according to new RBI notification, IRA Finance under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has acquired the status of RIA Finance Private Limited after the registration of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. IRABANTA assured the people that the confusion over the matter of IRA Finance will be resolved and will continue to serve the people by following the rules and regulation of the government. In support of the 24-hour nationwide strike called by the trade unions against the policies of centre that began from 6 a.m. today, More Bloc Asha Association under the aegis of trade unions Manipur stages a sit-in protest in front of More Primary Health Centre. The protesters demanded for increment of wages and monthly pensions of Asha workers. Kangnei Park News Tengbang Loop has extended help to 140-year-old Hijam Janice of Suknu Awang, Ward No. 1, with a weaving loop. Janice, father of 3, is the only sole breadwinner for his 3 children and his mother. To be mentioned, he met with an accident 5 years back in which he suffered serious injury. A Ukrainian airliner carrying at least 170 passengers crashed today due to technical problems soon after taking off from Tehran's Imam Khomeini Airport, and all aboard were killed according to media reports. The Boeing 737 belonging to Ukraine International Airlines crashed near the airport and burst into flames. A Ukrainian Foreign Ministry official in Kyiv said all crew and passengers aboard were killed. The 24-hour nationwide general strike imposed by trade unions is underway. Banking, transport and other services across the nation are affected by the ban. However, the general strike is not affecting normal life in Manipur so far. Hundreds of students under the aegis of Mizoram's apex student organization, the Mizo Zirlai Paul, staged demonstration at Lengpui Airport in Aizawl and waved black flags at Mizoram's lone Lok Sabha MP C. Lalro Sangha as he arrived in the airport last afternoon. As per media reports, Lalro Sangha has come under severe attack from the student body and opposition parties for allegedly voting in favor of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha in December last. Protesters holding banners and posters blocked rail tracks in Bengal this morning and raised slogans against the central government as the 24-hour nationwide strike called by 10 trade unions began at 6 a.m. today. According to media reports, transport services were also affected in parts of Orissa. Around 25 crore workers are expected to participate in the protest called by the Center of Indian Trade Unions against labor policies of the central government. Iran launched more than a dozen ballistic missiles against multiple bases housing US troops in Iraq last night, according to reports. It was not immediately clear if any US service members were hurt in the strikes. A natural 4.9 magnitude earthquake struck Iran near the Basir nuclear plant today, reports said, as tension in the Middle East soared following Iranian missile strikes on Iraqi bases housing US troops. The United States Geological Survey said the earthquake struck 10 kilometers southeast of Borajan, Iran, and at a depth of 10 kilometers.